Welcome back. It is Cinco de Mayo, and I am so excited for this quick bite segment because we've got a salsa recipe.
We are celebrating today.
Yay!
For sure. And you know, I think there's lots of ways that you can jazz up salsa. So we are doing a jazzy recipe today.
Ooh, jazzy.
And I know, right? So this is one that is a salsa that is not tomato based. I know. So oftentimes we'll hear older individuals or even children say they don't like salsa because of the tomatoes. It might cause some acid, reflux, or that type of thing. So this is a non-tomato based salsa. So let's do this. So oftentimes when we think about a fruit in a salsa, mostly mango comes to mind.
Yeah.
We are not using mango today. We are using peaches.
Peach salsa.
And so we are making a peach salsa. You can use frozen or fresh peaches. So when it comes peach season, let's go ahead and just use those peaches up. But we are using frozen today. And essentially what you want to do is you want to dice them up. And we have done that already. Dice them up, and you do want to let them thaw out a little bit. So this salsa that we make is going to be good for about 24 hours. You're going to want to make it and then use it. So make it today, right, in celebration of Cinco de Mayo. So the base is peaches. Then we're going to add some red onion. Do you know why red onion? Do you know why?
No idea.
No idea why.
No idea.
No idea why. So red onion does,
good, I guess.
yes, it just does work better in salsas. It's not, doesn't have quite as much of a bite, and so it's just a little bit sweeter. And I would say use as much or as little onion as you want. We're just going to use a little bit, and the shortcuts here at Hy-Vee, where it's already done for you. Gosh, if you only need a little bit, it's the way to go. So we're going to start mixing that in. Then we are going to use a little bit of lime juice to really just take the acid of anything down a little bit, and really gives, with the salt of a chip, ooh, it just is a very good flavor. So just about a tablespoon of lime juice. And here is our unique ingredient. So Thai sweet chili sauce.
I would never think to use that
Never,
for a salsa.
Right? And so this is going to be kind of the basis of what's going to kind of hold the salsa together. And about 1/4 of a cup, or as much or as little as you want. This doesn't have much heat to it, so that's not a concern at all if you are serving children or, again, older adults. This just has some flavor and not so much heat.
Smells really good.
And then finally, we are going to use cilantro, fresh or dried. It does not matter. Are you a cilantro lover? Or
I love cilantro.
Do you
yes.
love cilantro?
Yes, I love fresh cilantro.
See, I'm not a huge cilantro lover. I'm that population that thinks it tastes like soap. And so,
like soap?
Yes. Yeah, so
I feel like that's a conversation after
yes,
this, right?
it totally is. So I get that soapy taste.
Okay.
I don't love it, but
I've never heard that.
A lot of people do.
Wow.
Look it up. It's a true thing. And then here we just mix it together. So very minimal ingredients, 5 ingredients, all things that you can keep on hand. And really you just want to use this up because the peaches will just get a little bit soft with the lime juice and the Thai sweet chili sauce. So mix it up. It does set good for a couple, couple hours, and then we are serving it here with the Health Market yellow corn tortilla chips. And the reason that I choose these is because they are truly one of our lowest sodium chips in our store, and they are the most flavorful. I love these chips, and they work great with our peach salsa.
There you go, a simple salsa recipe for Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo, we are celebrating.
Katie, thank you.
You bet.
We will put the recipe on Nebraska.tv. We were lucky enough to get some Julio's chips sent to us to try out today, and I decided that we would try the chips with the peach salsa.
Finally.
That we made in Quick Bites. Don't say I don't ever bring stuff back.
Stephanie brought some of her Quick Bite food.
Well,
It's just nice to
no,
have
you gotta try it with the peach salsa.
somebody follow the rules. You're supposed to bring food back.
I know.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate that.
So yeah, I guess try it with the original because that would probably make the most sense.
Yeah. Are we doing peach salsa first?
Yeah, peach salsa first.
Okay.
And if you missed the Quick Bite segment, this is not tomato based. It's a Thai chili sauce. That's the base. So, it's a little different from your typical salsa, tomato based salsa.
I like it.
If you like a fruity salsa, I guess you have to.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah.
Wow.
The chips are really good,
It's
too.
not bad.
I know, because he was so traumatized from
I have been
Liza's Wacky Finds.
Yeah.
I don't like you guys making
really
fun of me
good.
on it.
Okay, so we'll try the freaking hot Julio's chips last, probably.
Yeah, so we can still taste after that.
But we got a jalapeno queso.
These seem good enough for me.
And we also have...
You go ahead. You seem good enough.
You're not going to try
I like
these?
these.
Tim.
You keep a hot one, too.
Jalapeno.
They're really good.
What is this one, though?
This is the mild salsa from Julio's.
okay.
So it's just a mild. I did not pour the hot salsa left, or out for us. We also have a
It's kind of got a kick to it.
zesty chili lime.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, yeah, it does. Zesty chili lime. What do you think? Oh, that is,
I'm not going
there
to
is
say
a
that's
kick.
hot, but if that's the mild version,
I know. I don't know about the hot one.
because it's definitely, I mean,
I don't know. I'm not a big fan of lime stuff, but
yeah.
Julio's is popular in Texas, and it's kind of new to our area, but you can find it in Hy-Vee, B&R stores, Pump and Pantry, and many small-town grocery stores.
Ronnie
If you're
loves
looking
them.
for, yeah, she's a
No,
big
they're
fan.
good chips.
All
Freaking
right.
hot,
No, thank you.
freaking hot.
Is that the one you already gave me? Or what is this
Oh
one?
no, I gave
to
you the
do weather.
chili lime.
But you gave me another one too. I have 2 chips. What
Yeah,
is
the
this?
jalapeno queso.
Oh, I never tried that
Nobody
one.
knows
Okay,
what's
we'll try the hot one.
All right, here we go.
Well,
Is it killing you, the suspense?
It hits ya,
I mean, yeah. And
but I also took just a little bite.
it's
so.
definitely building.
Yeah.
I don't like the
building.
Ooh,
The first,
it's building.
the first bite doesn't go. Ah, it's hot, but then it just like your tongue gets
Yeah.
more and more.
Yeah,
You might have to do.
there's a kick.
It's. I mean, it's not like the worst thing
No.
I've ever tried. As far
You
as
could
hot
handle it,
goes.
I think.
oh, I think I could. I also have to do weather like in like a minute and a half, so I don't want
Need
to be
your tongue
choking.
to work?
I don't want to be choking on air.
There you go. Happy Cinco de Mayo.